Hi there, I'd like to show you how to get the most from your Winsor & Newton metallic markers. As you can see, the ink is opaque and very shiny. So, decorate greetings cards. Draw on wood or even metal. Twin-tipped versatility. Each metallic marker has a large bullet nib for bold metallic marks and a fine bullet nib for shiny detail. Add highlights and borders over other marker work. As they are pigmented markers, they need to be stored horizontally, and being water-based, are odourless. We have hundreds of different Winsor & Newton markers to choose from. Why not try our broader range of Winsor & Newton markers, such as Pro, Brush, Neon or Watercolour markers, to make your creations go further. If you want to know more about Winsor & Newton's metallic marker range, simply ask in store or visit our website. Thank you for watching.